So I'm going to take you on a tour of the winemaker's house, or the Honeymoon suites, here at Ikies in Santorini. First, we start with this gorgeous patio, really huge, with the sunbeds and the outdoor jacuzzi with an amazing view. And then we enter into the suite, and it's just beautiful. Huge living room. And then in the back here, you've got, in the winemaker's house, just a wine theme in a little cave bedroom or master bedroom. This is some distilling equipment, and they've got this beautiful wine theme going on. The light comes through the archways and illuminates the bottles. So, sweet bedroom, living room space, and a huge bathroom with some great stuff going on here. Really large. We've got the shower here, stand up and a tub. Beautiful windows that open out over the private jacuzzi. Stunning view. And then check this, the private hammam, or steam room bath. The steam room is right here, private in the suite. Also has a gorgeous view. And just a giant luxurious bathroom here with great views. And then coming right back out again through the bathroom, back through the living room and bedroom, and out to this enormous private patio. With a sensational view of Ia. These are some of the other suites at Ikies, and that's that pool that you see right here is the public or communal pool area and deck for all of the guests of Ikies. Wow, what a gorgeous suite here. The winemaker's house, or honeymoon suite, at Ikies in Santorini. You'll find all kinds of great hotel reviews and other travel guides on our website at santorinidave.com. Enjoy your travels.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to see more super useful travel videos about Greece and beyond from santorinidave.com.